everyone, and welcome back to Speak English channel. Okay, I have a question for you. Have you ever been in a shop, cafe, or even just walking down the street and seen someone you wanted to talk to? Maybe you needed to ask for help or give a compliment, but your heart started beating fast, your mind went blank, and you said nothing.
Ah, yes. The moment passes, you walk away, and then you think, why didn't I just say something? It would have been so easy.
Exactly. That feeling of being frozen. It happens to all of us, especially when we're using a new language. So today, Paul and I are going to practice something very simple but very powerful, starting conversations.
Yes, we are not talking about long, complicated discussions. We are talking about the first step, the first sentence, the simple hello.
We'll give you easy phrases you can use anywhere, at a store, in a park, waiting for a bus. We want you to leave this video feeling confident to say that first hello.
So, are you ready to learn with us? Let's get started.
Paul, let's start with the most common situation. You are in a small shop, maybe a bookstore or a boutique. You are looking for something. How do you ask for help?
Well, the easiest way is to find someone who works there and say, "Excuse me."
Perfect. Excuse me. It's like a gentle tap on the shoulder with words. You say it to get someone's attention politely. So you see an employee, you say, "Excuse me."
And then when they look at you, you ask your question. A very simple question is, "Can you help me?"
Excuse me, can you help me? That's a full, perfect start. Let's practice that together. Repeat after us. Excuse me, can you help me? Great. Now let's say the whole thing. Excuse me, can you help me?
Wonderful. Now, after you say that, the person will probably say, "Yes, of course," or "Sure, what do you need?" So you need to say what you are looking for.
Right. And here is a key. Use simple words. Don't try to describe it perfectly. For example, if you are looking for a book about gardening, you can say, "I'm looking for a book about gardening."
"I'm looking for" is a fantastic phrase. You can use it for anything. I'm looking for the train station. I'm looking for a coffee shop.
Let's practice that one. Repeat after me. "I'm looking for." Good. So the whole conversation sounds like this. Excuse me.
Yes, how can I help?
Can you help me? I'm looking for a book about gardening.
See? Simple, clear, and friendly. The employee will understand you immediately.
Now, what if you are not looking for something specific? What if you just want to browse, to look around, and someone asks you, "Can I help you?" but you don't need help yet?
This is very common. In many shops, employees will ask you, "Do you need any help?" or "Are you looking for anything special?"
And you can give a simple, polite answer. You can smile and say, "No, thank you, I'm just looking."
"I'm just looking." This is a very useful phrase. It means you want to see things by yourself first. It's polite, and it tells the person you don't need help right now.
Let's practice that response. Repeat after Paul. "No, thank you, I'm just looking." Perfect. You can also say, "Not right now, thank you." Both are excellent.
Okay, let's change the situation. Imagine you are in a city and you are lost. You need to ask for directions. This can feel scary.
It can, but the start is the same. Excuse me. You stop someone who looks friendly and not too busy. You say, "Excuse me."
And then you can ask a simple question. One of the best questions is, "Can you tell me how to get to place?" For example, "Can you tell me how to get to the museum?"
Or, "Do you know where Central Park is?"
Yes. "Do you know where" is another great start. Let's practice both. Repeat after me. "Can you tell me how to get to the museum?" "Do you know where Central Park is?"
Excellent. Now, sometimes the person will give you directions very fast. It's okay if you don't understand everything. You can ask them to repeat it slowly.
How do we ask that politely?
You can say, "I'm sorry, can you say that again, please?" more slowly. A smile helps a lot here.
"Can you say that again, please?" This is a life-saving phrase. Let's practice it. "I'm sorry, can you say that again, please?"
Wonderful. Now let's imagine a more fun situation. You are at a park or maybe waiting in a long line. You see someone with a cute dog, or maybe they're wearing a t-shirt of your favorite band. You want to give a compliment or make a small comment.
Oh, this is nice. This is how we make small talk. Small talk is a light, friendly conversation about simple things.
Yes, and the easiest way to start is to say something about the situation you are both in. For example, if you are waiting in a long line, you can look at the person next to you and say, "This line is very long."
It's true. It's an observation, something you both can see. They will probably agree. Yes, it is very long.
Exactly. Or if you see a cute dog, you can say to the owner, "Your dog is so cute," or "What a beautiful dog."
People love to hear compliments about their pets. It's a very friendly way to start talking. Let's practice a compliment. Repeat after me. Your dog is so cute. I love your t-shirt.
Perfect. Now, what if someone gives you a compliment? Someone says, "I love your bag." What do you say?
In English, the normal response is to just say thank you. You can add, "That's very kind of you," but a simple thank you with a smile is perfect.
Yes, you don't need to say, "Oh no, it's old and cheap." Just say thank you. Let's practice receiving a compliment.
I really like your hat, Emily.
Thank you.
See? Easy and friendly.
Okay, let's review some of the important words and phrases we used. Our first phrase is "excuse me." Everyone repeat, "excuse me." We use this to get someone's attention politely. It's like saying, "I am sorry to bother you, but..."
Next phrase is, can you help me? Repeat after me. Can you help me? This is a direct and clear question to ask for assistance.
Another useful one is "I'm looking for." Repeat, "I'm looking for." This tells the person what you need. "I'm looking for the restroom." "I'm looking for a gift."
For when you don't need help, I'm just looking. Repeat, I'm just looking. A polite way to say you want to be alone to browse.
For directions, we have "Can you tell me how to get to?" Repeat, "Can you tell me how to get to?" And "Do you know where is?" Repeat, "Do you know where is?"
And if you don't understand, can you say that again, please? Repeat, can you say that again, please? Never be afraid to ask this. It's very normal.
Great job! Now let's put these into a few mini conversations. Paul, let's do the first one. You are the customer in a clothing store. I am the employee. Hello, do you need any help?
No, thank you. I'm just looking.
Okay, no problem. Let me know if you have any questions.
Thank you. I will.
Perfect. See how easy and polite that was? Now let's switch. I am a tourist. You are a local person on the street. Excuse me,
Yes?
do you know where the art museum is?
The art museum. Yes, it's straight down this road for 2 blocks. On the left.
Straight for 2 blocks on the left. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Wonderful. Straight, block, left. Those are great direction words. But even if you only understand 2 blocks and left, you have the important information.
Exactly. You don't need to understand every single word, just the keywords.
Now, for our last practice, let's do a compliment. You see me with a nice notebook.
Excuse me, I really like your notebook. Where did you get it?
Oh, thank you. I bought it at a little shop on Main Street.
Thank you. I'll check it out.
You see? A full, friendly, natural little conversation started with "excuse me" and a compliment.
This brings us to a very important point. What if you make a mistake? What if you say the wrong word?
It does not matter, really. If you say "excuse me" and smile, people will want to help you. If you say "book" but you mean "magazine," they will probably understand from the situation. The goal is communication, not perfection.
Yes, a mistake is not a wall, it's just a small bump in the road. Keep going.
Okay, now it's your turn to practice with us. We have a question for you. This is our challenge of the day.
We want you to choose one one of the situations we talked about. Asking for help in a shop, asking for directions, giving a compliment.
In the comments below, write a short script for that situation. For example, situation, compliment, me. Excuse me, I love your scarf. Person, thank you. Me, you're welcome. Have a nice day.
Or you can simply tell us which situation feels most difficult for you. Just write, asking for directions is most difficult for me. That is also great practice.
We will read your comments and give you hearts and encouragement. You are not alone. We are a community learning together.
Speaking your first sentences can feel scary, so here is our final advice. Start tiny.
Yes. This week, your goal is not to have a 10-minute conversation. Your goal is to say one of these phrases to one real person. Just, excuse me, can you help me in a shop? Or, I'm just looking to an employee.
One small sentence. That is huge progress. Celebrate that.
When you do it, you will feel so powerful. You broke the ice. You started the conversation.
And remember, everyone feels nervous sometimes. Native speakers feel nervous too. The important thing is to try.
We believe in you. You have the words now. Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for. Thank you. These are your tools.
Take them and use them. The world is waiting to hear from you.
Thank you so much for learning with us today. If this video helped you, please let us know by giving it a like. It helps our channel grow.
And if you want more simple, friendly conversations to practice with, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. We make new videos every week for you.
Now, go write your comment for the challenge of the day. We can't wait to read them.
Keep practicing, be brave, and we will see you in the next video at Speak English Channel.
Bye for now.